In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe Fill and Sign. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean, reusable signature on any PDF using the tools built right into Adobe Acrobat or the free Acrobat Reader. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. With the file on screen, look for the toolbar and choose eSign or Fill and Sign. This opens a dedicated workspace designed just for adding information to a document without changing its original content. If you don't immediately see the option, expand the right-hand pane or the top toolbar until Fill and Sign appears. Next, open the Sign tool. In the Fill and Sign toolbar, click the pen icon labeled Sign, then choose Add Signature. This tells Acrobat you want to create a personal signature that you can place anywhere in the document, as opposed to adding simple text or check marks. A signature window will appear with 4 ways to create your signature. Type lets you enter your name on the keyboard and pick a script style that looks like handwriting, great for a quick, uniform result. Draw allows you to sign with a mouse, trackpad, or your finger on a touchscreen for a more personal look. Try writing slowly to keep strokes smooth. Image lets you upload a photo of your handwritten signature. For best results, write on plain white paper with dark ink, take a sharp, well-lit photo, and crop closely around the signature so the background stays clean. Mobile gives you the flexibility to sign on your phone and import it back. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete that handoff. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply. Your new signature will appear on your cursor so you can place it. Click anywhere on the PDF where you want it to go, such as above a signature line or at the bottom of a form. You can drag to reposition and use the corner handles to resize without distorting the proportions. If it feels too bold or too light, simply remove it and place it again at a size that matches the rest of the document. When everything looks right, click Done to finish. One last tip. If you select Save Signature while creating it, Acrobat will remember it so you can reuse the same signature next time with a single click. That's especially helpful if you sign documents often. If you're on a shared computer, consider leaving that unchecked for privacy. And that's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and professional.